Hi guys, I am Bhavinkumar patel. I have completed the Task 3 Exploratory Data Analysis Retail and enrolled in April 2021 batch. So basically, Task 3 is performing for exploratory data analysis on dataset of SampleSuperstore of USA. So it's having the problem statement as a business manager try to find out the weak areas where you can work to make more profit. So the data set is already given. I have downloaded the data set from this link to my local drive and also working on that data set to solve the problem statement from my local drive also. So this is a kind of a beginner level problem which needs to create dashboards and screen recording along with our audio explanation and charts and interpretations. So I am doing exactly as per the requirement. So let's start our problem statement. So first of all, let's import the important libraries which we will use in trouble throughout the analysis. So let's import it first of all. So now after importing the very basic and the important task is to import the database. So without database we cannot analyze the data. So let's import the data set also and display it along with. So let me uh, find the shape of the database. So there are 9994 rows and 13 features in the dataset which we are going to analyze. Let's look at the column names of the dataset using columns. So there are total 13 columns available as we can see. Now let's look into the information using info functions. By using this info function, we can say that there is not a null value within this dataset. So I can say that info function which shows the null values count, feature names and data types of every features that we have seen here. As we are doing exploratory data analysis part of the problem, so we have to check for the null values if any features have. So let's check it with isNull.sum function. So particularly we have checked it for each and every feature that is 000. That means no any kind of the null values found here. So as per our result, we can say that there are no null values in any feature. So let's check the outliers for every feature using box plots. So let me do here. Okay, as we can see from the above plot, outliers are present in the cells column. So you can look here. So from here, these are the outliers we can say, and we can try to remove the outliers by IQR method as per following. Let's do it. So let's do the treatment for the outliers in cells column using IQR method. IQR measures the statistical dispersion of the data values in the measure of overall distribution. So let me calculate the IQR Q3 and Q1 here and then assign it to NaN. Then after, let's look at the data set if NaN is applied or not. Yes, it is applied. Yes, whenever the outliers are there, we have applied np.nan, that is this value, and it is applied also. So now let's fill the NaN values with the mean of the data set. So I have filled it with fill NA. Then now again look at me at the dataset. So you can see that NaN is now filled with the mean value of cells. So this is very much clear. So we can say that data set of cells dot is null dot sum is ultimately showing us a 0 because there is not a null value, not a single value which is a null here. So the purpose of this cells and the mean, field with mean is cleared here. So now let us look for the sales dataset. Is there any outliers? Yes, there are outliers. So let me just check for the outliers in the in this dataset also. So sales and profits are also here. Yes, profit column also having the outliers into it. Let me solve the profits problem. I have also applied this mean function to solve the profit feature. Let's just see. Yes, profit data set is also filled with fill and a function. Then for the quantity, yes, quantity is also having the outliers into it. Let's resolve it with IQR method. Let's fill and a. Yes, now the quantity is clear. There are no any kind of the outliers in the quantity. Let's go for the discount also. Yes, discount also having the outliers in that. So we will applying the same method which we are applied before. So discount is also now cleared. Now let's display total number of stores in USA. So there are total 9,994 retail superstores in USA. So let's calculate the cost for cost price for every superstores. By calculating this, we can subtract profit from the sales. This is actually, guys, you know the general format and the formula for the cost. So this is it for all of these stores in USA. So now let's go and find the profit percentage. By using profit percentage, we can divide cost to profit and multiply with 100, and we can normally find the profit percentage here. So now I want to calculate the correlation graph. So I just want column names. Just because of these column names, I can calculate and very much aware of the correlation. So I have generated the correlation table and visualize it using the heat map. So let's do it with heat map here. So as per the heat map, we can say sales with profit and cost is highly, yes, look at this, guide. Sales is highly correlated with profit, as well as sales is highly correlated with cost also. So if we can say that if the cost of the item is not more, then the sales is also more. That is, we can say that the profit for that sales is also correlated with each other. So let's create a histogram to find the base shipping mode. So बेस शिपिंग मोड के लिए हिस्टोग्राम हम क्रिएट करेंगे, तो उसके अंदर वी कैन फाइंड दैट एज पर द अबो हिस्टोग्राम वी कैन से दैट द स्टैंडर्ड क्लास ship mode is mostly preferred, while the same day is less preferred by the customers. This is clearly visible. Yes, so let's check the number of people in each category of customer segments. So let's say the customers are more than home office customers. So category, there are three types there of customers. First is the customer, second is the corporate category, and third is the home office. Let's go to plot to find which customer segments buy the products most. So as per the graph, we can say that the highest buyer from customer segments are type customer, while home office customers are spending all-time low as compared to the two categories. Now let's plotting to find which type of product is preferred most. So this is for the product, right? Guys, this is for the product. This is the categories of product we are finding here. So as per this diagram, we can say that the highest investment from customers are in office supplies, as you can say, while furniture and technology, which are the categories, are less but equally popular to the customer investment compared to office supplies. Now let's analyze region wise sales. So as per this diagram we can say that the highest order of furniture, office supplies and technology in the west region is highly ordered. You can say here is the way, here is the office supply which is highest, this is the furniture which is also highest, and this is the technology which is also highest as compared to these three region of named west. So while in the south region all the three categories are less ordered as compared to right sided three categories. So let's make analysis of profit and sales price of every subcategorical products. So here is the uh, comparison and the analysis of profit and sales for every subcategories. So as per the diagram we can say that the highest profitable category is paper. Here paper is here. Yeah, highest category of yeah, profitable, that is paper. Paper is more profitable because less sales. You can say this is the sales of paper is less but the profit of paper is high. Orange denotes the profit while blue bar is denotes the sales. So we can say that the less sales but the high profit, as while uh, uh, we can say the least profitable subcategory product is bookcase. Bookcase is here because the sale of bookcase is extremely high. You can say extremely high, but the profit of that bookcase is not that much of which is expectable. So we can say that highest sales but lowest profit as compared to all the profit. So now move ahead and analysis of states by profit. So we are analyzing the states by profit. So by profit we can say the Nevada is the highest profit maker. You can say here highest profit maker is the Nevada, while the Pennsylvania is the least profit maker state in the USA. Now we are moving to the sales analysis by state. So highest sales which are made in the main state, while the lowest sales is made in the District of Columbia. As per this diagram we can say. Let's go for top 10 cities in sales and profit. So I can plot a bar diagram for most top 10 cities with profit wise. So state wise we are going to search the cities, so we can find the all the very six states are not that much of high, but after that we can say that New York City is extremely high in top 10. In this is the first city, this is the topmost, this is the first city which provides the 13,486 86 count here. So let's go for the city wise sales analysis, and the city wise sales analysis is also highest in uh, New York. So sales, that is 87,023 units of sales is also registered by New York City. So guys, let's plot a pie diagram which shows the subcategory wise product analysis. So we can say that the paper which is the highest most sales in 13.7% is ordered by customers, which is the highest order as compared to other products, while copier are least ordered with 0.7. I think it is visible or not, but you can see 0.7% which is least, and the 13.7 that is the paper, but the binders there are also extremely outstanding going orders in 15.2%. Sorry guys, this is my bad that I have wrongly done this mistakes. I have to correct this binder. Yes, binder and is about 15.2. Yes, 15.2. Yes, now this is correct. So, and I have to change the ratio of this one also to, yeah, so this slide must be highlighted now. Yes, so binders is the providing the extraordinary orders, while the copier is uh, going in list order. Yes, so let me highlight it also. Yes, copier and binders. Now let's go for the top 10 city wise analysis, sales wise analysis, we can say. So New York is the first, as we can say, and we show the above example of the bar chart. So there is total 21.7% of the sales which is made in New York City, while the Detroit is the 10th number of city which just provide which just sold the 4% of the products, while the city-wide profits, we are going to the finding the profit. That profit wise is also New York City is performing the outstanding performance, while the Houston is just about selling the 3.6% of profit in the whole chart. So that's all from my side, guys. Thank you so much to hearing me like this, and please evaluate my task if you are like, and also comment. Thank you so much.